Hello and welcome to English with Rudy. One of my students requested me to explain how to use the word being. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to use this word. I can think of three ways to use the word being. Number one, we can use be verb with being. Number two, we can use being with the preposition for. Number three, we can use the word being as a suffix. Being can actually be used in passive sentences also. For example, my car is being repaired. But I will discuss passive sentences in another lesson. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel to get updates on new videos. First of all, let's look at how be verbs are used with being. I can use be verbs with being to talk about behavior. So if I say Tom is being mischievous, it means that Tom is behaving mischievously. Let's look at one more example. The customer is being difficult. This means that the customer is not cooperating or is behaving rudely. The word being can also be used with the preposition for. Let's use a few examples to explain this. He was given an award for being kind to people. She was scolded for being late. The gang was famous for being notorious. The students were punished for being naughty. Being can also be used to thank someone. For example, thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being helpful. Thank you for being kind to me. So lastly, being can be used as a suffix. I can think of two words in which being is used as a suffix. Well-being and human being. Can you think of some more examples where you can use being? Please leave your examples in the comments below. I hope this lesson was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.